In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add products in Freshsales. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Freshsales account and you are on the main dashboard. Adding products is done from the admin area, since the product catalog is usually managed by someone who maintains your sales settings and standard pricing. First, go to Admin Settings. You can find this by looking for the gear icon in the Freshsales interface. Click the gear to open the admin menu. From there, locate and select Deals and Pipelines. This is where Freshsales groups key configuration options related to how your team tracks revenue, organizes deal stages, and connects products to deals. Inside Deals and Pipelines, select Product Catalog. This section is where all of your existing products are stored, and it is the place you will use to create new product entries that can be attached to deals later. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct area before adding anything, especially if multiple teams share the same account. Next, click the Add Product button in the top right. This opens the product creation form. Now you will enter the core identifying details for the item you are adding. Start with the product name. Use a clear, consistent naming style that your team will recognize quickly. Then enter the SKU, which is your internal stock keeping unit or unique product code. Accuracy matters here, because SKUs are often used for reporting and for avoiding duplicate products. After that, choose the category. Categories help keep the catalog organized, so select the most appropriate one to make searching and filtering easier later. Now input the base price. This should be the standard price you want associated with the product in your catalog. Then select the currency. This is important for correct totals and reporting, especially if your organization sells in more than one currency. Always double-check that the currency matches the pricing standard your team uses for that product. Finally, click Save. Freshsales will store the product in your catalog, and it will be ready to use when creating or updating deals. That covers everything you need to know.